Hello, techies. We are in lab 2.6.15. We're going to troubleshoot physical connectivity 4. So, you are a network technician for a small corporate network. An employee in Office 1 says that after she added a pair of speakers to her workstation, she could no longer communicate with the computer in the networking closet. You need to diagnose and fix the problem. This is a table chart, and we're going to use the troubleshooting tools to diagnose the problem in network. We're going to ping command utility, the network connectivity light for all networking devices, and a network internet status page found in the Windows 11 or Windows Server 2019 settings. Fix the problem as necessary and use the known good spec. So let's start a lab. Now, this video might appear to be too fast for you. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible so that it won't be unnecessarily too long for you all. Right, we are inside the lab, and our first task was to go into the Office 1 system, go to the terminal, and let's see what are we doing. We're going to be pinging 192.168.0.10, 192.168.0.311, 192.0.11, 192.0.33. Okay, and these are all unreachable, which means that something is definitely wrong with the PC, and something is wrong with the network. So let's just go into the back of the motherboard and see. Okay, you can see that the network adapter is not plugged in, so we're going to plug this in now. So we take one end and plug this in. The other end has been plugged in already, but the other end is not plugged into the computer. So let's try to ping this again and see what happens. 192.168.0.33, 192. This used to be okay. This is not going through, and let's check our answers. If this video was helpful to you in any way, share in other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.